Welcome to Programming Hero. This is Sriman Arjun. Today we are discussing about the Kotlin Features. Kotlin have advantages over the Java. The benefits of using Kotlin are follows. Kotlin modern language features allows you to focus less on the code and more on ideas. Kotlin helps you to identify the possibilities of null pointer exceptions and avoid them. Kotlin is 100% interoperable with Java. You can call Java-based code from Kotlin or Kotlin-based code from Java. Kotlin codes are easier to maintain, read, and changes. The responsible features for conciseness are data classes, smart cards, type inference, and properties. In Kotlin, compilers systematically flag potential null pointer differences. Also, it provides non-nullable types and nullable types. Inline functions used to reduce overhead of certain methods. It instructs the compiler to copy and paste code into the call site during compilation. Kotlin compiler detects errors at compile time, not at the runtime. That is fail-fast principle. Also performs lots of checks, reducing runtime errors and the number of bugs in the code. Kotlin is a free and open source project under the Apache 2.0 license, so for adoption it's free of cost. It just not enforces you to write code in any particular way, such as functional or object-oriented style. In Kotlin, coroutines are lightweight threads which runs asynchronously. Coroutines are stackless, which means they demand lower memory usage as compared to traditional threads. Sometimes you use classes to only hold data, so it requires more boilerplate code like fields, setters and getters for each field, equals, hash code, and toString functions. So Kotlin data classes helps to achieve all that functions without using any of boilerplate code. You can extend any class with new functionality via extension function. A higher order function is one that takes functions as parameter or returns a function. Lambda expressions and anonymous functions are also known as function literals. These are functions not declared but passed immediately as an expression. In Kotlin, smart cards automatically handles check types and casting using each operator in Kotlin. Thank you.